Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we have some exciting stuff happening over here. We've got pretty much almost all of our first floor interior walls done. All of our first floor exterior walls are done. We just have a fireplace wall, and we have the two-story wall over here by the stair. That's actually a balloon wall, so it goes all the way up through the second floor to the roof trusses above. So we still have to do that one, but we want to get our second floor joist in first before we do that, so that we have something to attach to, so we can correct any twists and warping of those boards. So we're making some good progress, and as you can hear in the background, we are nailing up the hangers for our second floor joist that are being hanging off of our big 24-inch beam. So that beam is already up and installed. I'll show you guys here in a minute. So we're making some good progress, and hopefully we'll be putting in the second subfloor real soon. So I'll show you guys here what it looks like. So I'll start right here at the front entry door. So this space right here is going to be our front entry with our stairs going up right here. And then this wall right here is where the two-story balloon wall is going to be going in. So on the other side of that is going to be an office bedroom over there. And then if you walk through this way, this is the main hallway. Right up ahead is going to be just a big storage closet. And then to our right here, we have our open concept living, dining, and kitchen. So in the far corner, that's where our kitchen is. This window here is going to be for the window above our sink, our kitchen sink. And then that is our dining area right here, and over here in the far side is going to be the fireplace, which we haven't put in those walls yet. Double swinging French patio doors out onto the back patio, living space, and then there right here is our pantry, and then our side door off of the kitchen. So as you can see right here, we have our massive 24-inch beam in place. So what we're doing right now is, now that we've got that one set, is we have to install the joist hangers on this side. So where you see the joist hangers here, that's going to be where the floor joists sit. And then this portion, this beam, all the other beams are going to be hidden within the subfloor in the rest of the house. But over here, this beam is going to be exposed all the way along over the kitchen and dining area over here. So we'll have to wrap this beam with a pretty kind of rough-hewn timber look to make it look like one big solid beam. So you can kind of see at the bottom of those hangers is where our ceiling is going to be. So we got some nice tall ceilings in here. So continuing the tour, walk back through the hallway here. And on the left is the door to that office bedroom, guest bedroom that we have down here. And to our right is our downstairs bathroom. This will be a little linen closet, and then the tub will sit right here in the corner. And then over here is where toilet and then sink is going to be over here. So that's our downstairs bathroom. And then right here at this end of the house is going to be the downstairs master. So over there is where the bed's going to sit, big enough for a king size bed, and a window, big window. And then this downstairs has access to the back patio with, again, the swinging French patio doors. And then area over here for some seating and a TV. And then over here, we have the master ensuite. We have, as you walk in, to the right is going to be our toilet room. And then you come through to the left, we're going to do double barn sliding doors here into the master closet. Nice and spacious master closet down here. And then back in the bathroom, over here we're going to have a nice big shower, standing shower, and then in the corner here we'll have a tub where we've got lots of natural light from these windows, and then on this side of the wall is going to be our double vanity for the master. So that is the tour of the first floor. And so what we're working on now, we'll get the hangers up. We got to install the other beams. So we'll have right there, the big beam is a 4-ply. So it means there's 4 LVLs that have been glued and screwed together. And then right over the stair, we couldn't fit a 4-ply. So that's why we had to have this extra column on the right. And we're going to install a 2-ply beam across here so that our stairs can fit at the top. And then beyond that, we'll have another 4-ply beam that goes all the way across to the outside column of the house. So we got to get those columns in, and then we can start getting the second floor joist in and work on our second subfloor. So making good progress, and hopefully we'll be on to the second floor real soon.